Today we are going to collect some data so you can create your own bar graph. We did that in class, so you saw how that looked taking a survey with all the members in our classroom. So our title here says, I can collect my own data to create a bar graph and I can analyze the data. And this is the standard that goes with it. So the very first thing that you will need to think about is what question are you going to ask others? Our sample this morning, we did, what is your favorite animal at the zoo from our field trip? But now we're moving on from that data and you get to collect your own. So what question do you want to ask other people? The next thing that you need to think about is who you are going to ask this question to. Are you going to ask the students in our classroom this question? Are you going to ask the first graders this question? Maybe it's everyone that uses the lunchroom you want to ask a question to, or maybe it's the whole world you want to ask. Maybe it's just the girls, or maybe it's just the boys. So how you're going to set up your information really depends on who you're going to ask the question to. So you need to think about that. Then you're going to give the people that you're asking the question, you're going to give them options. So when we did the field trip to the zoo, we asked different animals. Yours might be just yes or no. Or are you going to collect information from them? Maybe it's, what is your favorite sport? So then you would want to list different sports here, like football, baseball, soccer, maybe gymnastics. So once you decide what your question is, then you need to figure out what options you're going to give the people that are going to be taking your survey. And then when we get done, we'll be setting up a graph and you'll be analyzing that information. I can't wait to see the questions that you ask and how you will use this information.